Hello, in this short video we're going to have a quick look at how we can create a new dash part. Dash parts appear here on the right panel, depending on how your site's laid out. In this case it's on the right. So this is a dash part, events is dash part, links are a dash part, all of these are dash parts. So we want to create a new one, and we want to put in their sales figures for, say, 2017 from our database. So how do we do that? So the first thing we need to do is to go to your profile in the back office and select File Management. Under here, there's an Entity Templates tab. This gives us some code, various types of code files. Hopefully the names are helpful. The ones that start with D part are dash parts, and there's a dash part chart, CSHTML. So select that. Underneath is the path where the new file will be written to and the name of the new file underneath that. Change those to suit. Overwrite any existing file that may be at that location. We'll do that and click Create. So the file's been created. A copy of this file has been created at that location called this. Just to check that's there, we can navigate quickly to the custom folder. Let's have a look. That's there. Custom. Choose Show Thumbnails. Hit refresh. And under here we should see new dash part. There it is. Chart. On the right hand side there's an edit link. Importantly, you can use this to change the code. This is the server code. So do change it as you see fit. The first block is all about the currently logged on user. If they're not logged in, you can redirect them to the login page, or you can just allow them through. It's current by default it's remmed out, so it's not requiring them to be logged in. There's the query to get the data from your SQL Server. Change this as required. It's set up to get the data in a via Ajax. There's an Ajax call further down here. This calls the server, which runs the query, sticks both the amount and the payment due date into two lists. Then it creates a class object and returns this as a JSON string, where it gets picked up on the client on return from the Ajax call, which calls render chart. Render chart function is here, and this is a Chart.js piece of code that draws a chart. In this case, a line chart. So that's that. Changes required. So we've got the new component. What we need is a dashboard to put it in. So go to the control panel again. Choose dashboard types. We'll need a new dashboard type. So new, call this sales. Mostly take the defaults. Let's just have a quick look. So we'll leave everything as it is. SEO, we won't bother setting in SEO, but we will turn off the text link and turn off the dashboard title, because charts have their own title. So we don't want the dashboard to have a title as well. And save that. So now we've got a dashboard. We need a dashboard content, which was what will hold our reference to the new page. So dashboard contents, choose the type of dashboard, which is sales, and select new. Again, we'll call this sales, and then on the advanced tab, scroll down to the object code, and I'll paste in the code I've already got, which essentially has just got two lines in it. One is a div, a name with an ID, and the other loads that div with the new page that was created. If you remember, it was in custom new dpart.cshtml. I'll change this the name of the div here to be div my chart, and then copy and paste that to here. And then crucially we need to say at the top here, this is an object, then save this. The final step is to go back to the back office. It's important that you give the dashboard an ordering and save it before it will appear. So we're going to reorder dashboards, and here's our sales dashboard. If we just move, actually that's wrong. Where we need in the template type, we need to choose what type you're using, and ours it was controls right. Choose that. Hit that sales at the bottom. Just move that up to the page. And save that. And that's it. And navigate to the home page. Go to the page that shows the dash parts. And our chart should appear. It hasn't, so we forgot something. I think I know what it is. There's a setting to say show in dash part. So we go back to dashboard contents. Choose the type, which was sales, and then the sales item, and display in dashboard. We need to set this, and now save. Back to the home page. Navigate to a page that has dashboards, and there's the chart. Thank you for watching.